Peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Enough love, guidance, and protection each and every time. Alright? Today, special menu is going to be curry oxtail. A lot of people don't know anything about that. But today, just hold tight and watch the ride. See it there in the kitchen. Some do it. Unique, sweet. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, we have some butter bean, we have some cooking oil, and we have some onions and some garlic chopped. We have some sweet pepper, aka bell pepper, well chopped up with one carrot. Alright, and you can see the oxtail right here, so I kind of see it, I'm pre-do it. See it? I kind of pre-season it, put it in the fridge, and let it marinate. You understand? So basically, we're going to work with some turmeric, some sea salt, some paprika, some cilantro, some cumin, and some crushed pepper with some garlic powder. You see me I say? That will make you know how the thing set. Right? Easy for cheesy. So let's watch what I go on. Alright? Yeah man, stay tuned. The camera just went out a while ago, so if you miss certain things, I'm sorry for that. Just kind of fry off the rawness off of the meat, you know. At the same time, put some flavor into it before I start cooking it. So this now, I'm cover this. Let the water cover the meat. I'm gonna let that cook for about half an hour before you check it, just to see if that water cook right down, and then you put a second set or batch of water in it to do a second cook down. And if the meat is not tender, rise to how you want it, you can do it a third time, because I'm not using a pressure cooker, I'm using a regular pot. And this is the first water. So I make the water here dry out, and then I add the second water. And this is how it looks when the water boils down. So I'm going to cover it again with the second boiling water. Right. You let that boil again for the second time and boil down, and then you test the meat. If the meat is soft enough or tender enough, then you know when it's time to pour the final round of water, and then you can add your seasoning to that water and cover and let it slow cook. Alright, this looks good enough, so I'm going to put in the final water in this. I'm going to cover them up with the final water. I'm going to add the seasoning them now also. Alright? Yeah man, stay tuned. Add a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of turmeric seed, teaspoon of garlic powder, some coriander, teaspoon. So the cumin I go on with. So a little estimation, a teaspoon also. Some crushed pepper. Kind of give that. Little fire in it, you know? Yeah. And some salt. Now I'm going to add this water with some thyme. See that? Cover him up the side now. I'm going to add the onion and the garlic. I'm going to add the carrot, the sweet peppers, alright? And this is going to be the final cook down. Cover that and give it at least a half an hour. Yes, a scotch bonnet pepper, added flavor. Take out them thyme. And then you're going to watch a style, you know. You never see this before, you'll see it today. I'm going to add some spinnaz to my curry oxtail. Very colorful, so beautiful. So when you hear the term soul food, yeah man, them food that will make you fall in love. Right. So the final touch you know, some butter bean. So I mean, yeah, final touch that. I got the magic touch. Everything I touch turn to gold. For sure. You see it. Hey yo, hey yo. Big up Zulu Minot, why not? And Bert Juice, no shirt. See that? From far, you know. Now watch the close up. Curry oxtail, spinnaz and butter bean with some white rice. And you know, so everything nice. Yeah, man. Peace, love, light, and healing. That's how we're dealing. Yeah. We're dealing. We're dealing. Peace, love, light, and healing. That we're dealing. Yeah.